Sometimes you want to rise your system, elements of your system, and you're wondering what colors should I take, would I take, could I take, and there are 16 millions out there. But sometimes it's easy to start with a wallpaper. You like something, and I've explained JPEG and one of the tools on the X server, where you can just grab a color. There's also something called X color. Again, an X in front of it, so no problem, no pleasure on Wayfire. But the last video, the previous video that I've just, that you can see, is about dark purplish, blue, gray look, right? This one. How did I achieve this color scheme? Is by actually pressing the buttons Alt, Shift, arrow up. And something happened, right? You saw something happen. But if I open a terminal and do exactly the same, Alt, Shift, arrow up, that's the power of pywal. So if you install pywal, python-pywal, you get in the .cache a folder wall on which you can base anything. You have many formats that is being written away by the application python-pywal. And there are colors in YML for kitty here, console, omox, putty, and so on. There's a colors roughy, dark, rassi. Our coloring scheme, this one, is a rassi extension. So we could say, let's open and have a look. Now, depending on what you've installed, you can actually see already with the extension color hints. In other videos I show you, you just can click on it. And I have my collection of colors. If you like this wallpaper and you say I would like to have the same coloring scheme, more or less, right? For in the future, if I have something blue and purplish, then I would like to have that as well. So here are my colors. Where is my code? Well, let's first make sure that we have the default back. So let's open up a terminal and let's create a new one. Another one from A to Z. So we're talking about the power menu. It has two things: change the colors, change the style. And I'm going to change the colors. And the default one, I believe, was one dark that we've chosen. So let's do that. Voila, that's one dark. So remember the colors red, blue, and green. Okay. So when I close this one and close that one, and maybe make this a little bit bigger, then we go for the default one. So I start with the default, and from here we start changing. Okay, so I grab this one, put it here, and we can make these two guys next to each other, maybe a good idea. So super, and then the keyboard, the numeric keypad, 4 and 6, which makes it easy. It's tiled now, and super shift X is already there. Let's replace the green, right? We're going to look for the green. Where's green? That's green, that's active. What do I want it to be? Purple? That in purple. Want it to be in this kind of purple? Also purple, purple. What's this? It doesn't get this. No color. This is the color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's a mistake there. Does not compute. Doesn't get it. Right, the background. Dark or foreground. We have to choose, right? Let's go for it. Oops. let's go for it. Let's go for a color. All right, Control C. You see the transparency at the back, FF, don't change that. Save. What did I do? I changed it to this. This is another color. Control C, which is that one, except the FFF. Save. I get this. Well, the blue is not that bad, but this and this one is the same. That's broken. This is also purplish. FF. Save. And we got ourselves this, which is not that bad. But I would like to switch. So I would like that color to be there and that color to be there. And this should be a little bit different. You know what? I'll keep that one there and keep that one there, but just this is more critical. So instead of figuring all kinds of things out, Control Alt G, yes, Control V, and then clicking this one. Nope. Yes, yes, I know. You want to be part of my browser. So we now have this. I want it to be a little bit more in the purplish kind of look. What if I do this? How's that one? And FF. Save. Now we have an error, so double hashtag, not okay. Does not get it. Does not compute. That's better. Much better. Much better. So this could be your choice. Why not? A purple kind of look. And in the meantime, all wallpaper has changed. So Alt previous, Alt P, and then Super Shift X. And this is gonna be our logout, login. You can switch colors around. Why not log out the color from logout to Powermenu and so on. I can keep on going, which I probably will do. Keep on going, because I think that would be nicer. So that's unfortunately closed, default Razi. So I would like to, let's have a look again. This one goes there and that one goes there. Okay. And that one goes there. So this one goes here and that one goes there. I think it's like that. Is that better? And you can keep on trying, right? See if you like it. Change it back. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Save. Was this better? Maybe I'm not gonna keep this one. Voila, we have another theme. I'll just call it purple something. We'll choose a name. Default Razi is not going to be the name. That's the name that's always overwritten, so don't do that. That's always overwritten. So this has to get a new. There's already purple, navy I see here, so let's just call it purple then. I don't think that exists yet. Purple Razi. And that's it. This is your coloring scheme. It will never be overwritten since I don't know your name. You just invent your name. But if you want to get it, if you want to have it and use the tool, and what is the tool? If you want to use the tool to say, give me another color, Powermenu change colors, Then purple navy was the last one, so this one is purple, and that's number 18. We save it, we stop it, we go to the configuration of our menu, to the change. Number 18 is no longer one dark, but it's now purple, and that's it. So now you have a color extra. Your personal colors can go right in here. Everything is ready already. So play around with your number 19, number 20, and you can set it any way you see fit. So let's do an example. Power change menu colors. Take one of the colors, Lovelace, and then we have this. Then we take our own purple creation, and we have this. All right. And that's the fun. Watch out with scales, right? When you're creative, make sure all your creations are very safely put somewhere else. All right, that's it for me. Enjoy creating more of these colors, more of these menus that fit you and your computer and your wallpaper. And the tip here is clearly sudo pacman -s python-pywal is the application, and it's by default on Wi-Fi. All right, cheers.